Are you stuck in the frustrating Instagram SMS verification loop? If your verification code keeps failing or never arrives, do not panic. We will show you exactly how to fix this issue step by step.
Before we fix it, you need to understand why this happens. Usually, it is not an Instagram error. It is either your mobile carrier blocking the automated text or Instagram's security system temporarily blocking your request to prevent spam.
The fastest and most reliable solution is to bypass the SMS entirely. On the code entry screen, look at the bottom and tap Try Another Way. From the menu that slides up, select Get a Verification Code via email or use your backup code. Enter the code you receive and you will be instantly logged in.
If you absolutely must use SMS, we need to clear the blockage on your device. First, check your phone's spam or blocked messages folder to ensure Instagram's shortcodes are not filtered. Next, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the cell tower and refresh the SMS routing. If you are completely locked out and have no backup options, you must verify your identity with Meta. Tap Need More Help on the login screen. Follow the prompts and enter a reachable email address. Then complete the video selfie verification. The AI will match your face to your profile pictures to restore your access.
Once you are back in, you must prevent this from happening again. Go to your settings, open the Account Center, and navigate to Password and Security. Turn off SMS two-factor authentication and set up an Authenticator app or a Passkey. This is the most secure method and completely eliminates SMS delivery issues.
By using alternative verification methods and upgrading your security settings, you will never be trapped by SMS failures again. If this video helped you regain access to your account, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next tutorial.